Hi, today we will be introducing to you MetMask by team number 19. My name is Emily Barragan.
I'm Kieran Tremblay.
And I'm Shayna Banana.
At the start of this project, we developed and distributed a survey to college students in order to understand the problems that they face with their current masks. Our survey identified 3 key issues. Masks fog up glasses, they're hard to breathe through, and they're hard to clean. Over 2/3 of college students don't wash their mask frequently enough. We implemented novel ideas into our new mask to help eliminate these issues. An axe head style mask contours easily to the face and is very comfortable. A hidden support structure that can be easily constructed from common household materials increases the surface area of the mask, which helps the user breathe. An anti-fog strip made of strategically placed silicone prevents the mask from slipping down on your face and minimizes glasses fog. The mask itself is made up of 3 layers, with a copper antimicrobial mesh laminated between 2 thin cotton poly sheets. Here are some of the preliminary 3D designs of our mask.
In order for us to carefully select each style and each material used in our mask, we decided to create a design matrix that helps us compare these different variables by criteria such as ease of production, simplicity, and washability. In this case, each criteria is given a weight of importance. After that, we rank each option on a scale from 1 to 10. After each weight is distributed and ranked, our results will show up at the bottom. In this case, axe head cloth style was ranked highest and therefore the style that we decided to use. We did the same for the mask material and the mask frame material. Along with the design matrix, we also decided to use the input of our consumers who left their contact information in our survey. We emailed and called each one in order to get the best possible solutions. We heard back from several people about the elastic straps behind the ear. These are a few of their responses. This also played a big role in what we decided to use for the elastic straps in our design.
Our implementation plan includes advertising and selling MetMask on our website. Here's a mock-up of our company logo. Since we identified our target audience as college students, we will advertise MetMask using social media platforms such as Instagram. As you can see, the slide shows a mock-up of the Instagram ad that we would use to promote our product. The ad displays a student wearing a mask to attract our target audience. The ad has our company logo and the starting price of our product, as well as important features that make up the mask. It offers a direct link to our company website where consumers can then directly purchase the product if they would like. Here's a template for our company website product page where consumers would then be able to purchase the 2 products. One is the fully made mask that we would ship to the consumer, and the other is the make-it-yourself kit where we would provide the materials and the instruction manual for the consumer instead. Finally, the FAQ page as well as the contact page would be used to connect with our customers. They would be able to read the drop-downs for each FAQ and ask any questions they may have prior to purchasing the products. Thank you for taking the time to learn about MetMask.